Quezon City Memorial Circle. Standing 66 meters tall, the Quezon Memorial Shrine is an iconic symbol dedicated to President Manuel L. Quezon. At the base, the shrine houses a museum with memorabilia and served as a mausoleum for President Quezon and his wife Aurora. This monument is set within Quezon Memorial Circle, a sprawling 27-hectare urban park in Diliman, Quezon City. The park is a major cultural and historical landmark, popular with both local and international visitors. Open daily with free admissions, the park offers a family-friendly environment complete with playgrounds and ample parking. With the upcoming Quezon Memorial MRT station, access to the park will be even more convenient and encouraging more visitors.
Analysis. Strength. Cultural and historical landmark. Pambansang dambana honoring President Quezon. Quezon Memorial Circle is a pambansang dambana that honors President Manuel L. Quezon, making it culturally significant and educational for those wanting to learn about Philippine history. Central location in Quezon City, accessible to locals and tourists. Situated in a busy part of Quezon City surrounded by major roads, the park is easily accessible to both local and tourists, which bring more visitors.
Weakness: limited parking and difficult access for some visitors. Example, because the park is located within an elliptical traffic circle, parking is limited and crossing the area can be difficult for persons with disabilities or seniors. Maintenance needs: cleanliness and facility improvements. Some parts of the park still need better upkeep for cleanliness, clearer safety signs, and facility improvements to improve visitor experience. Congestions and litter during visit times. Example, peak visitors times can lead to overcrowding and garbage accumulation if the park is not properly managed.
Opportunities: host ecotourism and cultural events. The park's natural beauty and heritage open the chance to host ecotourism, heritage tours, outdoor concerts, and environmental programs to attract more visitors. Upgrade facilities with sports courts and skate parks. Planned environments like sports courts, skate parks, and wider paths will broaden the park's appeal and comfort. Government plans for redevelopment and preservation. Local government supports aims to enhance the park as a green space and cultural hub, ensuring its long-term preservation and investments. Boost local economy through tourism and markets. Increased tourism benefits local vendors and creates jobs through market areas and cultural events inside the park.
Threats: environmental risk from poor waste management. Without proper waste management, the park's greenery and cleanliness risk degrading over time due to litter and high visitor traffic. Urban development pressures nearby. Rapid urbanization around the park may limit its expansion or change its natural ambience. Natural disaster like typhoons and flooding. Being in the Philippines, the park is vulnerable in typhoons and flooding, which can damage infrastructure or temporarily close it. In additional, security concern like vandalism and safety issues. Public spaces may face vandalism or unsafe activities without proper monitoring, which could discourage the visitors.
Key macro perspective issues affecting Quezon Memorial Circle. Quezon Memorial Circle faces several macro factors that shape its current and future conditions. Economic. The park is a critical local tourism hub contributing to Quezon City's economy. However, fluctuating visitors spending and limited investment in facilities may impact its growth potential. Boosting tourism can increase local business and revenues job creation.
Environmental. As an urban green space, The park sustains biodiversity and air quality, but risks degradation due to litter, overcrowding, and climate impacts like typhoons and flooding, common in the Philippines.
Cultural. The circle is a site of national heritage and community activities, fostering cultural education and social cohesion. Ensuring inclusive access and community engagement remains vital for preserving its cultural value.
Technological. Digital advancements offer opportunities for improved visitor experience through apps, virtual tours, and better marketing. Yet current infrastructure upgrades are still needed to fully leverage technology.
Strategic tourism plan. Tourism infrastructure and facility development. Upgrade parking, facilities and access roads to case mobility, expand restroom and seating areas. Develop shaded walkway and clear signage reflecting the park's heritage to enhance visitor comfort and education. Sustainable tourism, environment management. Implement stricter waste management and recycle campaigns. Use eco-friendly materials in infrastructure development. Protect green areas by limiting overcrowding through visitors cap and time ticket when needed.
Community participation and employment generation. Engage local communities in cultural performances, tour guiding, and craft vending. Establish training programs to improve skills related to hospitality and park management, ensuring locals benefits.
Marketing, digitalization, and innovation. Create a comprehensive digital platforms with interactive maps, event schedule, and virtual tours. Use social media campaigns to promote special events and highlights sustainable efforts. Adopt smart spark technologies like Wi-Fi hotspot and QR-coded information. Points.
Policy recommendation. Enforce policies requiring regular maintenance and security patrols. Develop partnership with private sector for founding cultural and environmental programs. Mandate inclusive design principles to ensure accessibility for all visitors.
Project outcomes, economic benefits, increased visitors numbers and spending create more jobs and income for local vendors. Improve facilities attract higher profile events, boosting tourism revenue.
Social benefits. Enhance community involvement, promotes local pride and cultural preservation. Education programs increase public awareness of national heritage and environmental stewardship.
Environmental benefits. Sustainable practices reduce pollution and protects green space. Smart management minimize visitor impact, preserving the park's natural beauty and biodiversity for future generation.
Conclusion. This comprehensive strategic plan for Quezon Memorial Circle aims to balance growth and preservation by addressing economic, environmental, socio-cultural, and technological factors. It strengthens the park's roles as a national landmark and community space. Through sustainable development, community empowerment, and innovation, the plans contribute to the wider growth of the Philippines' tourism and hospitality, showcasing how heritage sites can thrive while protecting the environment and enriching society.